Yeah. Yeah?
And friendly.
Yeah.
If you don't know how we make it.
Yeah.
Like that's the guy that the Uber.
Yeah, family. So we're actually at the market right now. As you can see, this is the market. And we're just gonna check out our hotel. You know what I mean? I don't see the guy who normally carry this thing for us today. I don't see. No, yeah, at second.
But you see most of these guys just sitting down like
Yeah.
and they say something like
Yeah.
when you're sitting there. He is not in the camera.
Show him at the gate there. Charlie.
Oh, you went to look for others.
Group them up. Oh, that's what they do here, lunch.
I just left that in. I'm running.
We found parking.
I don't know. No, I reserved for you.
Oh, no.
Welcome. Just welcome.
Not yet. Yeah, tea and juice. Right? Hotel. Oh, this thing is upstairs.
Yes, somebody.
Hotel. Pepe. Hotel.
Have you seen?
They look fresh.
Yeah.
And then you get your food.
You eat something.
Yeah?
Can I prepare for you or you can?
Yeah, we'll eat one. We'll eat, right?
You can eat, yes. You can first.
So we'll eat one and carry
First
one.
eat one or two. You're gonna taste before you can.
All right. Let's do that. So you come on this side. Eh?
There is a half. There is a full.
All right. So we'll eat one and carry one, right?
You see, this is half. This is full.
You want two. So we're gonna eat one and carry one.
Which one? Wait, I want to prepare wet one. Wait.
What you want it, sweetie? Which one is it?
Wait,
Wet fry. Yeah, family. So our mind changed. We actually at
Everything's fresh.
yeah.
It's a nice place.
Let's maybe try some chapati.
Wait, this way.
Oh.
Okay.
The one there, over there.
Okay.
She's my love.
Oh, your wife.
Oh, yes. That is it. So when you are here, feel at home.
Yeah.
Famous here.
So it's a good place. We have all the everything.
When I get it. When I greens. Okay.
Local greens I have.
You love local green?
Yeah, local greens.
Yeah, have it.
With chapati and the fish.
Everything is here. If you want brown chapati there, white chapati are here.
I love the brown chapati.
Yeah.
Can you tell her? Can you tell her?
No, you just ask after the chapati,
After the fish has come.
Okay.
Sawa. Thank
Everything
you.
is okay.
All right.
My dear,
Eh.
quiero que lo pueda.
Sawa, thank you.
See that one?
Yeah, family. So I didn't actually know that place. What's that? That's that tree tomato. What is it? What is it? Tree tomato.
It's what it was? Mango?
Yeah. One.
No, thank you. The front is a dead one, look like here.
I do appreciate
Kachumbari.
this kachumbari.
Okay.
Free for you.
Free. Okay.
Free for you.
Thank you.
Yeah, fam, that's kachumbari. I know, sweet, to be honest, I never know that a place like this,
Making me laugh.
a place like this exists up top here.
Me too. And there is another one.
Look at that one. That one is which one? How they grilling the They're grilling the fish.
Yeah. Oh, it's the fish. Because he has told me this one, he has just prepped it right now. Actually, it looks fresh. Hope it looks fresh than the one we buy at Wakati.
Yeah.
He doesn't even have that ugly smell.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah, family, so we're trying some local food today. You know, I mean, we never planned for this, but it just happened while we actually headed to the market.
And the heart loved the man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, you know what I mean? We'll actually go and check upstairs, what upstairs is.
Yeah.
Upstairs is nice because rooftop and stuff.
Oh, yeah.
The rooftop. As you can see, guys, everybody's having lunch here. Everybody's having lunch.
But you have nice food, like this pilau there.
Yeah, and the food is fresh. Very fresh. You have tree tomato.
Lime mix.
It's alright, I don't want tree tomato.
That's the wife.
That's the wife. Wow.
And the daughter. Who is the daughter? The daughter is the one. And don't be shocked when it's an onion. Yeah, you have to know how to look for a job.
Yeah, so these are students from the hospital family. Come to eat this hotel.
They even have the t-shirt.
Yeah, this is like a place where you eat, like a restaurant in Jamaica. This is where you actually, this is what you call a restaurant here. Yeah.
The food looks so nice.
Yeah, and it smells good.
It doesn't have that bad at least.
Yeah. Yeah, fam.
But I really love, you know, some places you wouldn't tell how the man was started there.
Yeah. It's alright, I guess. This is a kachumbari. They get the plate, put it inside. Yeah, with them small kitchen, a small cubicle. Then you have this one place now for everybody. Yeah. Yeah.
So there's something for washing dishes.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah, like cutting the greens. This is actually downstairs. Oh yeah, that's the ground floor.
Yeah. Not like in it's not like a restaurant. You know that it's local.
coconut. Yeah, family. So the fish that we're going with, we're actually going to use it to make rundown. In Jamaica, it's mackerel rundown, but this will be like fish rundown.
With coconut.
Yeah. We're going to try that. Yeah. Yeah, like when you come to the market, you can just eat and then you go. You have the bucket, right? Yeah. What kind of juice is that?
This is tomato, beetroot, lime beans. You said you don't have tomato. Huh? You don't have tomato. English problem. Because we said what tomato, you said you don't have tomato. Tomato for now.
Wait, should be something.
I think tomato and beans. And lime and beans.
Alright, let me have two then, right?
Yeah, let's bring two.
Kachumbari.
Like how there.
Yeah.
Not water. Oh, they even have a sink there. There's a sink for.
Hey fam, so this is the greens. Small greens though. It's Miss Jam Tours Ugali. Eh? These greens?
Chapati.
Yeah, okay, one chapati is fine. It's a fish. Thank you. That's the fish family.
Another one, take away. Chapati brown. Yes. Another fish. For take away, but not wet.
Dry. Yes, sweet is a start, no? Jah, we bless you for this meal. Yeah, one, yeah. Jah, we thank you for this food. Bless it as we eat. Normally at home we have the ugali is not white. So you never wash your hand, you know? She should come in for you to wash your hand. Oh, this chapati is small. Give me another one, please. Let me have another chapati. It's very small. Alright, so let me go and wash my hand. So one lady come with the juice. It's juice. Thank you. This is the juice. Alright, so you go and wash your hand now. You want to taste it? Go and wash your hand. And then I'll go on after, right? Hurry up, but you can't move. You have something to worry about, yeah. Yeah, so it's down to wash your hand. Yeah? Yeah, that's where you wash your hand. That one. That's where you wash your hands, family. This jam tour is washing our hands. Let me have the kachumbari and pepper. Share it out there. It has pepper there anyway. It was green tea. Alright. Two more chapati. Brown. Yeah, family, so Miss Jam Tour is enjoying the fish. I actually finished my food. Miss Jam Tour is enjoying. Enjoy. Yeah, family, so it was actually rush hour, lunchtime. A lot of people was here. Now the place kinda, you know, not so busy. People eat and gone. How the juice taste?
I've not tasted it actually.
Oh, ugali and fish.
That was nice.
Yeah. Alright, family, so this Jam Tour is still enjoying our meal.
Come with a lot of love.
Yeah.
Bukan sama kisikana. Bini. Bagaimana tu?
Enda kuaria nege kuwe.
Oh, mau kue mau.
Let me drink my juice
Okay.
as the food sings.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, big and nice.
Very nice.
You're gonna pack this one first, right?
I am pack for one.
Yeah, pack it now.
This one.
Yeah, we already paid.
Yeah.
Pack.
You are looking for container.
Okay, okay. So you're gonna.
Today.
Oye, umeta Jamaica. Umeta Jamaica.
In Jamaica.
Yeah.
But you understand English, yeah?
Yes, yes, yes.
Even
Obviously.
Kikuyu. Eh,
Tapi itu lu kan. Itu boleh saya pergi. Ya.
ele tiana yo.
Wow. She's a blind.
Yes, I know.
Being responsible to her.
Yeah.
She's good.
Yes.
I've learned something from her heart.
Yeah, yeah.
Very humble. Good looking.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just love her.
Yeah. You can finish it.
What are the maki? What are the maki? Matano. Eu acho que é o verano. E faz, manda um. Eu não comi na tal. Quando eu fui por ali, tá ali com o Tá para onde é?
You can't manage it. Let me finish it here. You can't manage. Yeah, fam, this is the fish. Take home to make the rundown. Yeah, let's go. Guys, we did. When you walk, it will settle. So we're gonna go upstairs and see what they have upstairs, right? Thank you. Welcome. Welcome. Guys. Yeah, family, so down there is the market. Yeah, I want to see what they have upstairs. Just to see what they have. Upstairs is like grill. It's like grilling upstairs. So we're just looking.
This is choma.
Oh, it's just trauma.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Alright, family, so let's go. Upstairs, they have like trauma and all kind of thing. Yeah. The fumes, they cannot get it out quick. Yeah, family, so this is the end of this vlog. Just showcasing to you like what a restaurant look like. You guys call it hotel here?
Yeah.
So it's just so it's just yeah, beside the market. This is downstairs. This is where like everybody come and eat lunch. Even though the workers don't work at Aga Khan, this is where they come and eat lunch. And this is the market right here. So you want tomatoes here? Are we gonna go outside? Yeah, let's go up.